Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. Want to know how to buy NFTs but feel overwhelmed? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy your first NFT, the essential tools you need, and tips to make the process easy and successful. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the NFT space like a pro. Look in the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Part 1. What are NFTs? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, which means it's a one-of-a-kind digital asset that's stored on a blockchain, like Ethereum. NFTs can represent digital art, music, video clips, virtual land, and more. Part 2. Tools you need to buy NFTs. Before you buy your first NFT, you need the right tools to make the process smooth and efficient. Here are the must-have tools you'll need. CoinStats. CoinStats helps you track your crypto portfolio and manage your Ethereum balance in real time, so you know exactly how much you have to spend. TradingView. Use TradingView to monitor Ethereum price trends. Buying ETH when the price is lower or gas fees are down can save you money. Glassnode. Glassnode provides on-chain analytics so you can see trends, wallet activity, and NFT market movements. This is super helpful to identify hype before it's too late. Token tax and Koinly. Once you start buying or selling NFTs, taxes can get tricky. Token tax and Koinly help you automate tax reporting for crypto transactions. Part 3. Step-by-step guide to buying NFTs. Now, let's walk through exactly how to buy your first NFT. 1. Set up a crypto wallet. The first step is setting up a crypto wallet. I recommend using MetaMask, which is a secure browser extension wallet. Download it, create your wallet, and securely save your recovery phrase. 2. Buy Ethereum. Next, you need Ethereum, which is the main currency for most NFT marketplaces. You can buy Ethereum from exchanges like Binance or Coinbase and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. 3. Choose an NFT marketplace. Once your wallet is funded, connect it to an NFT marketplace like OpenSea, Rarible, or Superari. OpenSea is the largest and most beginner-friendly option. 4. Find an NFT to buy. Use filters to search for NFTs based on price, popularity, or category. Whether you want digital art, collectibles, or music NFTs, there's something for everyone. 5. Make the purchase. Click buy now or place a bid if it's an auction. Confirm the transaction, pay the gas fee, and the NFT will appear in your wallet. Part 4. Key tips to succeed with NFTs. Before you start buying, here are 4 quick tips to avoid mistakes and get the most out of your NFT journey. 1. Research the project. Always check the creator's reputation, project roadmap, and community engagement. 2. Monitor gas fees. Use TradingView to track ETH price and transaction fees to buy when costs are lower. 3. Track your portfolio. Stay organized with CoinStats so you know what NFTs and crypto you own. 4. Plan for taxes. Keep track of NFT purchases and sales using Koinly or token tax to simplify your tax filing later. And that's it. You now know how to buy NFTs step by step, and you have the tools to make it easy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides and NFT tips. Comment below. Which NFT are you excited to buy?